a set of Deatschwerks fuel injectors. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. Deatschwerks. I know that sounds German, but these guys are actually located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. And not only do they supply injectors, but also pumps, rails, lines, fittings, filters, regulators, and surge tanks. This is their 42 pound per hour set of 8. One thing I like about Deatschwerks is that they supply you with a flow report. And they're supposed to be balanced to within, I think, 1 to 2% of each other. They come in this vacuum sealed plastic packaging along with some super lube. We could use that for quite a few things, including applying it to our O-rings before installation. Now keep in mind that this flow report is conducted at 3 bar. Some vehicles run higher pressure than that. So if you do, then these numbers will actually be higher than what they give here in your application. On mine, the 5.7 Hemi, it runs at 4 bar. 3 bar is 43.5 psi and 4 bar is 58 psi. So I'll be getting a lot more flow out of these just because of the higher pressure. For example, this set came in at 80% duty cycle, came in at an average of 357 cc's per minute. That comes out to 412 cc's per minute at 58 psi, or 40.3 pounds per hour. Now I know that's a little less than the 42 that they have rated them at, so maybe Deatschwerks gets that number at 85% duty cycle, I don't know. Regardless, that's still plenty of injector for my application. That's good to a little over 600 horsepower. The 42 pound per hour is supposed to be good for 5 to 625 horsepower. Now I know that the 6.4 Hemis come with the 42 pound per hour injector. They're rated at 485 at the crank. With my cam, head, and compression combination, I should be well over that. The stock 5.7 injectors are 34.5 pounds per hour. That's good to a little over 500 horsepower. And I have seen several guys with cam, tune, and headers get right at or a little over 500 horsepower on the stock 5.7 injectors with a less aggressive cam than I'm going to be using. So I think these will be just right for my application. There'll be plenty of flow with some headroom, but not so much that they can't be tuned for good drivability. Anyway, this is what you get with a set of Deatschwerks injectors. Everything I've researched about them seems to be pretty good. My first time using them, but I will let you know how they work once we get the cam installed. Deatschwerks.